it's Stephanie with Stephanie Cole Over 50 Living. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share with you a recipe that I came up with actually quite a few years ago, and it is a savory zucchini quick bread, and it has Italian flavors. It's really tasty. So I thought I would share this with you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps my channel out. And to all you new subscribers, welcome and thank you for subscribing. So let's get started. Already washed these earlier, so we are going to grate some zucchini. We need 1 cup of zucchini grated and drained. I know lately I have been cooking a lot on my YouTube channel, and for those of you who enjoy more of the crafty side, I promise I will get back to that. I have a few more recipes that I really want to share with you that I've been working on, so I will be doing that. But I also have some outside DIYs that I want to share with you, so I will be doing that. Okay, so I have right here, I have a 1/2 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, no oil. Sometimes the sun-dried tomatoes are in oil and these are not. And I'm just gonna give them a quick chop. We just got back from our vacation in Idaho and it was a great time. We had so much fun, and I might be doing a bonus video this week. I'm not sure, of just showing places to visit in Twin Falls, because we spent most of our time, we didn't even scratch the surface of all the places we could go. But if you're interested, let me know down in the comments below and I will definitely put something together with the footage that I filmed. It's a really lovely area. And then here I have 4 ounces of pancetta that I cooked up, and I have 3/4 of a cup of asiago cheese. And then here I have, trying to remember, I think it's a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper. I have the actual ingredients listed down with the recipe in the description box. It's 1 tablespoon of dried basil, 1 tablespoon of garlic, I think it's a teaspoon of onion powder, and this is fresh minced rosemary, and I believe that is also a teaspoon. But like I said, I will have all of the ingredients listed in with the recipe in the description box below. In a bowl, we are going to add 2 eggs. To that, instead of butter, we're going to use olive oil, and that's 4 tablespoons. All right, so then to the eggs and olive oil, I am going to add 1 cup of whole milk. And then we are going to add 3/4 cup asiago cheese, the 4 ounces of pancetta, the 1/2 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, and all the spices. And we are going to add the zucchini. Can't be zucchini bread without zucchini. And then we're going to give it another stir. Now I'm going to set this bowl aside. I'm going to make room here. And I have 3 cups of flour right here. And I need to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to add the flour to the wet mixture, and we're just going to mix it in. Smells good. Right here I have a greased loaf pan. I don't know if I can do this sitting down. Just spread it out. We're going to cook this at 350 degrees for 50 minutes to 1 hour until when you put a knife or a toothpick in and it comes out clean. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you give this bread a try. It is delicious. And until next time, bye.